Spy gadgets aren't just for secret agents anymore. Today, anyone can own them. From protecting your privacy to adding a little thrill to daily life, here are spy gadgets you can buy right now. Spy lens. Meet the spy lens. Ordinary eyewear on the outside, but futuristic tech on the inside. Built from lightweight polycarbonate, these lenses hide a chip and antenna that let you record, capture, and transmit footage, all with just a blink. An inbuilt sensor even detects glucose in tears, proving it's more than just a surveillance tool. And soon, with AI-powered facial recognition, they could spot targets in real time. Spy Finder Pro. Hidden cameras are everywhere. Homes, hotels, dressing rooms, even locker rooms. They know no boundaries. But with this pocket-sized detector, your privacy is back in your hands. Pull it out, sweep the room in seconds, and instantly reveal hidden lenses, bugs, or tracking devices. Perfect for travelers, Airbnb stays, business trips, or anyone facing legal disputes or living in shared spaces. Cameo. With a 2.7K lens and 110-degree wide-angle view, it captures every detail in stunning clarity. Control it remotely through the RoadCam app, review instantly on the built-in IPS screen, and let smart auto adjustments handle light, exposure, and ISO. Compact, discreet, and powerful, Cameo is your personal spy tool in pocket size. GuardPro X60 Pro. Get motion-triggered photo alerts and real-time live view on demand, with HD clips sent straight to your phone. A shared data plan lets multiple cameras pool minutes and storage for maximum value. The 8,000 mAh battery lasts up to a month, or pair it with a solar panel for year-round use. With triple network support, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, it always connects to the strongest signal. Enjoy 48-megapixel photos, 1296p video, and invisible no-glow night vision up to 100 feet. Perfect for both wildlife and security. Setup is fast, storage is preloaded with 32 gigabytes, and the app makes sharing effortless. NannyCam. Set up in just 3 seconds, this slim security cam connects instantly to your phone. With 2K Ultra HD and a dual-screen preview, you can see the big picture and zoom in for detail at the same time. Record with or without Wi-Fi, save to SD, or stream live with cloud backup. Motion detection and infrared night vision keep you protected even in total darkness up to 15 feet. With free cloud storage and loop recording, it's compact, sharp, and always ready. Security made simple. Protect your privacy anywhere with this all-in-one detection device. It spots hidden cameras, intercepts bugging signals, and even identifies magnetic trackers in vehicles or personal spaces. With just 2 simple buttons, switch modes instantly, while the LED signal strength indicator guides you to the source. Choose sound or vibration alerts for discreet operation. From hotels and homes to offices and business meetings, this compact tool ensures your private life stays private, no matter where you are. Signal. Introducing Signal, the smart strap that turns your fingertip into a phone. With a simple touch to your ear, you can hear calls crystal clear, even in the noisiest places. Compatible with any watch, Signal connects via Bluetooth and uses body conduction technology to send sound through your hand to your fingertip. No earbuds, no wires, just discreet, private communication at your command. HackyPi. This is HackyPi, a compact USB device built for learning, coding, and ethical hacking. Powered by the Raspberry Pi RP2040, it features dual ARM cores, a micro SD slot for data, and a customizable display. Use it to practice coding, create encryption methods, log data, or explore system security in a safe, educational way. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Android, it's perfect for students, developers, and curious minds alike. This isn't your ordinary drone, this one fires sensor darts. With a single charge, it can launch up to 17 darts, each equipped to measure and monitor environments that are otherwise impossible to reach. Weighing just 23 ounces, it works from up to 13 feet away with an accuracy margin of only 4 inches. Tested more than 80 times indoors and out, it's built for hazardous sites, smart cities, research missions, and industrial inspections. Y-Phone. At first glance, it looks like an old-school phone with buttons, pure nostalgia. But under the hood, it's built for hackers and anonymity seekers. Weighing just 3 ounces, it lets you make calls without a SIM card. Simply set up a SIP account, connect to Wi-Fi, and talk freely. Its modular daughter board transforms it into anything, from a music studio to an RC controller. With 8 hours of talk time and fully programmable buttons, it's compact, discreet, and versatile. Starting at just $90, this phone is retro style with a hacker's edge. Night Thunder X3. Step into the dark with the NTX3 night vision goggles, capturing 4K video and 40MP photos with stunning clarity day or night. Powered by AI Color Boost technology, it sharpens low-light scenes with vibrant detail. The military-grade design and stealth glow backlit buttons keep every move silent and discreet. With 8x zoom and 3-level infrared, targets stay visible up to 1,384 feet away. A 5,000 mAh battery delivers up to 18 hours of runtime, and 32 GB storage saves every moment instantly. Chipolo Loop. Meet Chipolo Loop, the rechargeable tracker built to never let you lose what matters. With a battery that lasts up to 6 months and charges via USB-C, it's always ready. Compatible with Apple Find My and Google's Find Hub, it taps into millions of devices worldwide to locate your items, near or far. Nearby, just ring Loop with its 125 dB alert, loud enough to hear from rooms away. Attach it to anything with its sleek silicone loop and unlock extras like phone finder, out-of-range alerts, and even a selfie remote. RC Car. This isn't just a toy, it's an off-road beast with a camera. A 3-megapixel lens streams photos and video straight to your phone in real time, putting you right in the driver's seat. With a powerful motor and anti-skid rubber tires, it conquers concrete, rocks, grass, and sand with ease. The app controls give you full racing freedom, forward, backward, turns, and quick stops, while built-in stabilization keeps your ride steady. GD10. Meet the GD10, a portable SSD with a 1.83-inch touchscreen that locks your files with a tap. Press the button and it instantly enters encryption mode, disconnecting from your device and making your data unreadable to anyone without the password. Disconnect it and it locks automatically, keeping your files secure wherever you go. With Apple Find My built in, you'll never lose it. Track your GD10 on the map, use precision finding to see its exact location, and get alerts if it's left behind. Your data stays private, encrypted end-to-end. Z10 4K Action Camera. Introduce the Z10 Action Camera, your pocket-sized companion for every adventure. Capture stunning 4K underwater footage with its rugged waterproof case, perfect for diving, snorkeling, or exploring the ocean's depths. Weighing just 49 grams, it's light enough for daily vlogging, pet moments, or on-the-go rides. With a quick mount bracket, it attaches easily to helmets or handlebars, while the one-click recording keeps things simple, just press and go. Equipped with a magnetic clip, 360-degree back mount, and weatherproof design, the Z10 is built for land, sea, and everything in between. Why carry headphones, a flashlight, and a hat when one gadget does it all? The Bluetooth Beanie combines music, calls, and hands-free lighting in a single cozy winter cap. With Bluetooth 5.0, it pairs instantly with your devices, delivering clear stereo sound and stable calls up to 33 feet away. The removable LED light offers 3 brightness levels and lights up to 30 feet ahead, perfect for runs, camping, dog walks, or late-night repairs. Made from soft, stretchable acrylic, it fits most and is fully washable once the light and Bluetooth module are removed. X-Fly Bionic Bird. This is X-Fly, a new generation bird drone with flapping wings so realistic it looks alive in the sky. Ultra light at just 12 grams with a 380mm wingspan, it's powered by a patented mechanism and reinforced motor for smooth, lifelike flight. Guided by Army-grade sensors and a 6-axis gyroscope, X-Fly offers straight-line stability, anti-fall protection, and precise wing control for aerial stunts. With swappable batteries, you get continuous flight, 12 minutes per charge, and 12 minutes to recharge. Controlled via Android app or X-Play controller, it glides, turns, and lands like a real bird, indoors or outdoors. X-Fly, where nature meets technology.